Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Nadine Sutherland, all grown up. Nadine Sutherland is celebrating 40 years in the music industry, a career milestone that started back in 1979. Though she is popularly known for her 1993 hot collaboration action with DJ Terror Fabulous, Nadine Sutherland's musical journey started at the tender age of 11.
It started from 1979. I had my first hit song, Starvation on the Land, and followed by A Young One Like Me that I never recognized until now that it was an anthem amongst my age group. And the other day Ashley did it for me and I cried. So if you don't really know my history, you'll think that it started with Action in the 90s. But anybody who knows it started long before.
The songstress also shared details on her new body of work produced by Rory Stonelove.
Right now I have a new song, the remake of Ain't No Sunshine, that was done from a perspective of an immigrant child, because my mother left when I was 12, and that's a story for the States. And then I have a song chatting about chatty mouth blondie, that basically it speaks about itself and girl with mouth just yabba yabba. I'm doing a body of work with Rory Stonelove and writing from a very universal perspective, because right now, you live long enough and you see the world. So I'm writing that people of all age group can relate to the stories that I will be telling.
Admittedly a fan of dancehall music, Nadine shared that she would be receptive to collaborating with dancehall artist Popcaan.
I like Popcaan. I think he's very melodic. Like, I listen to his song and I'm like, I like who he is as a person. I like that he represents his community, like St. Thomas, and go out there and fight. So there's depth to him, to his creativity. There's depth, there's thought, and that's what I love about him. So if anybody, and his name Sutherland too. So anybody I would want to collaborate with in this time, it would be a Popcaan.
Nadine Sutherland will have year-long activities to celebrate the 40 years, which began with a concert at the Miramar Cultural Center back in October. Now, Etana on top in Kenya. Reggae songstress Etana's track, titled Love Song, topped the list of most streamed songs in Kenya. Etana is also third on the list of top 10 most streamed international artists, with Ed Sheeran and Nicki Minaj ranking first and second, respectively. In response, Etana expressed her appreciation for her Kenyan fans and thanked them for their support in a series of posts on social media. Etana's love affair with Kenya began back in 2012 when she performed at the Etana Returns concert, which attracted scores of reggae Kenyan fans who braved lower than normal temperatures to enjoy music from the strong one. Etana is also highly popular in Tanzania, where Love Song is number 4 on the top 10 most streamed international songs, ahead of Forever and Always by Shania Twain, Work by Rihanna, God's Plan by Drake, and the Shy Shy collaboration with Trey Songz and Chris Brown. Etana recently concluded her Reggae Forever World Tour and is now preparing for her Spread Love World Tour, which commences this month. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.